Hello guys, welcome to another session with Patrick Perfect. Thank you for sticking around. If you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Patrick Perfect and I welcome you especially to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching this from my Telegram channel, I also welcome you. Alright, on this video, I'm going to be moving ahead to explain the concept I started earlier called structural range dynamics. Okay, on my previous video I did lay down a few points to note, like a few foundation to trading this concept called structural range dynamics. It's a very unpopular concept, not being talked about in the forex industry. Very few people incorporate this concept into their strategy, and it's fine. Okay, you can trade this concept on your own, like on its own, or you can incorporate it into your current uh your current system and just use it as a form of confirmation bias, or just a form of confluence to help your trading. Okay, so let's move forward with what I started on my previous videos. Now I did lay a few points, which was first, regardless of any time frame you're trading, let's say if this is a 15-minute time frame and the market is putting, like, the price action is like bullish, we say regardless of the time frame, you're simply catching a single candle on a time frame that is higher. Okay, let's say if this price action is printing out on your 5 minutes time frame, it could simply be that you're catching a 4 hour candlestick. Okay, the same thing if you're trading the sales. Okay, let's say this market is putting a bearish price action on the 50, let's say the 15 or the 5 minutes time frame. It is most likely printing like one candle on a time frame that is higher, say the 4 hourly or the daily time frame. Okay, this is a very simple concept, and I'm pretty sure you all will accept this for a fact with me. If you've been trading this market, I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. Okay, and also I did lay another foundation that when you spot like market structure playing out like this on a swing basis, like the market putting down a low, a high, a low like this. If you spot like the market doing this, this this can also be happening based off candlestick patterns. Okay, or like you can call it candlestick structure. Okay, let's say this market is pulling bearish. Okay, let's say this is our weekly time frame and these candles are pulling bearish like this. Now, in as much as we continue printing bearish candles like this and we continue to close below previous low, we can simply say these candles are expecting a bearish price action. These candles are expecting a market structure which is bearish. Okay, now when we spot like a bullish engulfing candle closing above the high of the previous bearish candle, we can say a market structure shift just happened right here. Okay, the same goes for our bearish, like our bullish structure. Okay, let's say for instance the market is putting like a bullish, okay, let me drag this down. Let's say the market is putting up bullish candles Let's say this is a weekly time frame. Now, in as much as this market is printing bullish candles and they are closing above previous highs, we can say this market is respecting structure. Okay. Now, until we spot like a bearish candle close below our previous candle low, before we can say this bullish structure have been invalidated and we now have a market structure shift, then we can change our bias for taking a trade. Okay. Now, this being said, now you ask me, how do you get to trade? Okay, if this happens in my weekly chart or my daily chart, how do I get to trade it? I want to see how this can be traded and I want to get to understand this more. Okay, don't worry. Let's go more deeper. Okay. Now, in order for you to trade this concept profitably, you need to understand market structure. Okay. What do I mean by market structure? In an uptrend, market pulls up a high, pulls up a low, puts up a higher high, puts up a higher low, and the market puts up like a higher high. We can say this is a bullish price action happening right here. Okay. And for all of you all that understand market structure, we all know that if the market puts up like an equal high and is trading within this previous low and it fails to take out this previous low right here, we are still bullish. Even if this market comes here and put up equal low right here, we are still bullish. It's most likely still going to like continue in the direction of the trend, and we can simply see the market do something like this and still continue. Okay. Now, in as much as we put on this high, we put on this low, we put on this higher high, higher low, we put on equal high, in as much as we didn't take out this previous low right here, in as much as we do not take out this previous low right here, we can still consider this market price action bullish. Okay. Now, until we get this market invalidate this low, like breaking below this previous low here and closing below it, before we can say okay, a market structure shift has happened right here, and then we can start looking for sales opportunity. Okay. I'm pretty sure you all understand how to read your market structure. Now, the same thing goes for sales. Let's say this market prints down a low, prints a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and it comes to put like a lower low right here and begins to play around here, and it comes to put like an equal high here. In as much as we do not break and close above this previous high, we will still be looking for sales opportunity. Okay. Now, if the market comes here, most likely it's still going to continue in the direction of this trend, and it can just continue like this. Okay. Now, some people, when they see the market like come put up like a low here, a lower high here, a lower low which is equal to this, some will immediately see, yo, this market have changed, shift in market structure, and they'll immediately want to start looking for buys. No, you don't do that. If the market puts equal low, then you should wait for the market to invalidate this previous high right here for you to start looking for buys. In as much as we put up an a double bottom here, or as you can call it, an equal low here, and we fail to break above this neckline, as you may call it, we are still bearish. Okay. Until we break above this neckline and close above, before we can say a market structure shift just happened, and then we can change our bias. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to read your market structure for a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Okay, now that being said, this also can happen on a candlestick basis. Now let me show you guys something. Okay, now in a downtrend, let me zoom in. Now from right here we can see that market broke structure right here. This bearish candle closed below the low of this, and we can see the next candle that followed printed bearish. This one followed bearish. Now this guy is respecting structure, this guy respected structure, this guy respected structure. Now this guy that closed bullish, in as much as it did not close above the previous bearish candle high, we still consider this market bearish. Okay, in as much as it did not close like this, like above this previous candle. Okay, in as much as this candle does not close above this previous candle high, we still consider this market bearish. Okay, now this guy closed above this, but it did not hold and the bearish momentum continued. Now we can spot like this guy continued with the bearish momentum, closed below this previous low, and what happened? We continued respecting structure. Okay, we continued respecting structure. Now in a bearish market, in as much as in a bearish trend, or should I say price action, in as much as we do not have like a bullish engulfing candle close above the high of the previous bearish candle or bullish candle that follows it, we can say the market is still respecting structure. Okay, right here we see that this market continued its bearish move, and we continued selling, and even up to this point we we were still respecting structure. Okay, up until this point where the market broke structure right here, you can see where this bullish candle closed above the high of this previous bullish candle, and you can see this candle rejected off here. If we looked at for buys opportunity here, we can see that we'll most likely catch a buy here and even here. So that goes for this. We spot like a break here, then this market boom invalidated us. This market invalidated us, and boom, it failed us here. It failed us here, and right here we continued. So guys, this happens. Like I can go on and on and on to keep showing you guys how these stuffs actually play out. Like you're going to find this play out most of the time. Very few times you will get to see that okay, the market will break structure and it will not like go in your direction, like how this happened here. We saw like a market structure shift happen right here based off our candlestick, and we have this guy closed bullish, and looking at this guy, it invalidated like this structure, and we have like another market structure shift here for this guy to print bullish, but that didn't happen. Okay, so in case like this, we take our L and we move. Okay, we take our L and we move, but for most part this plays out very well. Okay, now I'm showing you this on the weekly time frame. I can go down to my daily to show you this. The same thing happens on your daily chart. Okay, from right here you can see we respecting this bearish structure. You can see we're respecting this bearish structure all the way here until we have this market structure shift happened here. Okay, upon spotting this shift, you can see this market have been buying. You can see how it been buying. We came here, the market structure shift happened here, as you can see, and you can see how we sold this market. You can see a market structure shift happened here, happened right here. You can see how we bought this market. You can see a market structure shift happened here also, where this candle closed below the low of this candle, and you can see we sold this market. It happened here again, and you can see we bought this market. So guys, this thing happens like all the time, almost all the time in the market. You just have to train your eye. You just have to understand this concept and how to trade it. Okay, now that being said, now this is how you go about it. Okay, for me, I basically come on to my weekly time frame to have a feel of what the market is doing. Okay, if I don't have like a significant market structure shift happen on my weekly time frame, or a continuation uh pattern happening on my weekly time frame, I simply go, I scale down to my daily time frame to look out for that market structure shift, or I just simply look out for any continuation and candlestick pattern. Okay, now for, let me go back in time. Let me go back in time. Use I don't want to analyze real time because I have some analysis playing out right there. Okay, let's say let's take this for example from right here. Okay, this market have been bearish. You can see this market been bearish. We came here and boom, a market structure shift happened here. Mind you, this is happening on my daily time frame. The market structure shift happened here. Now, how do I know market structure shift happened there? You can see this is a bearish candle with its high over here, right? And the next candle that printed closed bullish, like this is a bullish engulfing candle, closing above the high of this previous bearish candle. Okay, now what we're going to do is, upon spotting this is Monday 20th of January 2025. Now that simply means on Tuesday moving forward, we need to we have to look out for buying opportunity. Okay, so what do? We can simply come on our 4 hourly to have a feel on what the market is doing. Okay, like if we do have a structure like to plot on our 4 hourly, we are going to do that. Okay, this is where the market uh this is the high of our previous daily candle. So we can just map out this place. Let's map out this place with a zone. Okay, now what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to wait for price to trade to this level, or we simply just go to 1 hourly or 15 minute time frame to look out for sales opportunity. Now, how do we look out for sales opportunities on the 15 minute or the 1 hourly time frame? We simply scale down to, okay, let me do that, to our 15 minute time frame, and we look out for those minor levels that price will most likely reject off. Okay, now this is our 15 minute time frame. Okay, now this is the high, that daily candle. This is the high, and this is where we got the break. Okay, so upon spotting this idea is going to be like our first level. Okay, so we're going to mark this level first. Okay, price broke out, came shy of this level, and it it retested, it went back, it came back to retest this level, and it rejected. Now, simply looking at this, we can see that price have rejected of this level twice. It came here, rejected, came here, rejected. Now it's simple. Since we since price have broken structure, how do we trade this? we spot a high. This looks like a low. You remember what I showed you guys on market structure? Now we spot like an equal high and equal low. In as much as we are still trading above this low, we are still bullish. Okay, market came here, rejected here multiple times. Now this is a good place to take a buy. Okay, this is a very good place to take a buy, because in as much as we have not broken this previous low, we are still bullish. Okay, we can go for a buy right here after spotting this bounce right here, and stop loss coming below here, and we can go for a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. Yeah, just like I normally go for all my trades. I go for a 1 to 3 weeks to reward. Now some of you might think, okay, because this market have played out, that's why I have like, I can say whatsoever I want to say. And you know what, I'm going to be doing this on a real time chart. Okay, on a real time chart, I'm going to be doing this. Okay, so you get to watch me, you get to watch my videos here, and you get to see me do this. I'm also going to be back testing this strategy, exactly everything I'm teaching you or everything I'm showing you on this channel. I'm going to be back testing this concept. Okay, so I want you guys to stick with me as I'll be taking you guys more in depth into this concept and how to trade it. It might seem very complicated to most of you and very new to most of you just watching me for the first time. Do not worry. On my subsequent video, I'll do my best to keep explaining this concept and I'll try my best to simplify it as best as I can. Okay, thank you for sticking with me to the very end of this video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial freedom. I'm very sure you're going to make it through this journey. You're going to become financially free. You're going to have the life you desire, and you're going to be all that you've ever wanted to be. Okay. Thank you for watching me. I remain Patrick Perfect. Do well to like this video. Do well to subscribe. Do well to support your guy. Thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of your day.